Hello everyone and welcome to another video by SM Billion. Today we are going to talk about custom VRChat avatars and how you can get one for yourself and without any technical or artistic knowledge. For those of you who don't know what VRChat is, it's a virtual reality game that allows people from all over the world to socialize, attend events, create art, play games, and explore virtual environments right from the comfort of their own homes via a virtual reality device. In VRChat, each player takes the form of a game avatar, which you can choose from a library of hundreds of different in-game avatars. The downside is that all of those avatars are available publicly to anyone else as well. If you want to create your own custom VRChat avatar and to stand out from the crowd, you have two options: to design one yourself using tools such as Blender, or to find an artist and commission him to do the design work for you. Assuming that you don't have the design capabilities yourself, you are left with the second option. Creating a custom VRChat avatar is not an easy task at all. It requires 3D modeling, rendering, and rigging in variety levels of difficulty, depending on how complicated the avatar model is. More advanced avatars can cost up to $5,000. In this video, we are going to introduce you to the best and most affordable places where you could commission your own custom avatar easily and without waiting months in a queue. Our number one pick when it comes to commissioning custom VRChat avatars is Fiverr.com. Fiverr is the world's largest digital services marketplace, boasting a record-breaking number of over 3 million different services. Between this humongous amount of services, there are dozens of VRChat avatar artists as well, ranging in both price and quality. They can all be found in the VRChat section of the site, which we have linked to in the description box below. Some of the artists over there are extremely talented and already have years of experience in 3D modeling. Beyond that, the main benefits of commissioning a custom avatar via Fiverr are the short delivery times and their escrow service, which guarantee that your money won't go to waste and won't be delivered to the seller until you are 100% satisfied with the service you received. In case you feel overwhelmed from the amount of sellers and want some direct recommendations, here's our two favorite VRChat avatar artists from Fiverr. Kevin is the man when it comes to VRChat avatars. He's been the main Fiverr seller in this category for a while now, and his quality of service is unmatched. We went through dozens of different artists on Fiverr in our quest for the perfect avatar, and no one came close to his level of professionalism. Just look at his stunning past work to understand what you can possibly get from his service. When it comes to commissioning a 3D model like a VRChat avatar, hiring a non-vetted seller can be a big risk. There's just too many ways they can screw you over. If you'll choose to hire Kevin, you can be certain that you buy from a trusted source. His Fiverr gig got dozens of honest reviews that seem to agree with us that he is the real deal. If you're interested, make sure to have a closer look in his gig. We have left a link to it in the description box. If your budget is a bit lower and you still want to get a high-quality custom avatar from a reputable seller, then Ivan is the perfect choice for you. He's a Mexican 3D artist with plenty of experience in custom VRChat avatars and over 2 years of selling on Fiverr. He is extremely knowledgeable and responsive and can help create the avatar of your dreams without spending a fortune on it. You can find a link to his service in the description box as well. The second place you should go in order to issue a VRChat avatar commission is the official VRChat community forum. They have a whole section dedicated to avatar commissions where individual artists can showcase and advertise their services. This section is pretty small at the moment, and the sellers tend to be more on the inexperienced side, but it would get better as the months go by and more artists show up. To sum it all up, commissioning a custom VRChat avatar had never been easier. There are tons of talented artists all over the web. You just need to choose the one that fits your style the most. Make sure to leave a comment and let us know where you got an avatar from and how was the experience.